Hello, I'm Uday, a member of Brain Chamber research team. Today I'm here to introduce what the exactly Brain Chamber is. The Brain Chamber is a company of dynamic engineers and incorporated people with scientific stance and pedestal. Whole the work of the company is going totally meticulously in our company. Time to time, dramatic changes have been taken in our company. Besides this, we also endorse our research group members for other companies in-house project consultation, and these research group members are always in constant different concepts in the lights. That's why they achieve the greatest podium in the field of applied engineering. Besides this, we also advertise the talent to acclaim the 21st century. See, our first research was you charge shoes. The system that we have to put up into the shoe sole and just walk, and we can charge mobile battery walking very well. So it is light in weight, negligible maintenance, and a highly durable product that what we have designed and developed also. Then we are stuck up with our new product, which is electromechanical fish gills, which is based on physics, chemistry, and somewhat zoology based. That circuit you have to put up into the snorkel and then snorkel to the nose, and then man can breathe underwater as like fish. Man cannot be able to breathe underwater as like fish. That will become our past. So to breathe underwater, we doesn't require any oxygen cylinder to breathe underwater. So later on we have the slide engine. It is the core project of the brain chamber. You just visit our website, the brain chamber, you will find the details of the slide engine. When the driver is on the slope, when he wants to pick up the vehicle comes back. On the basis what we have designed, our system judges the exactly torque, the traction in the wheel, gear ratio, even the load of the vehicle, and on the basis of that exactly it decides on the basis of the accelerator pressed by the driver how much we clutch and brake we need to release, so that when the driver wants to pick up the vehicle, he picks up very satisfactorily without coming back. So this was our research, and then later on we are stuck up with another research, that is eye mouse. See, when the cursor on the desktop screen of our computer moves in accordance with our movement of our eyes, not with our movement of our hand. So when you move your eyes, the cursor get moves. So that research we have developed with Professor G. Tengshe, who was the great scientist among us. So later on we have another research also, which is based on microbiological background. In the sense means we have taken the cut section of glycoprotein spike GP120, transmembrane pedicle glycoprotein GP41, outer acosector cell of nucleic acid, inner shape cone of nucleic acid, enolol फिर bi-rare, reverse transcripted viral RNA. So that we have wanted to develop the HIV protection device, and soon in a couple of years definitely we will have a success in that research also. So after that, the brain tumor group has entered into the space research, aerospace engineering and all, and we have achieved the remarkable outputs regarding the space research. See, when the satellite moves around the earth and rotates about 36,000 km from the surface of the earth, the sensor comes away. The deployment of the sensor is for 6 meter long, and that mechanism we have to put up into the 5 by 5 by 10 centimeter volume, so that it moves away from the satellite body. And that mechanism we have to develop in 370 gram just, and we have developed, designed and manufactured that system within 2 months and 16 days. The government 7.5 year research we have completed in 2 months and 16 days. Later on we made a spring operated boom which never require energy to come away. Here the angular variable torque of the spring we have converted into the linear torque, and that research we have completed with the same fundamental basis. Later on we have the galactic balloons mission, where the satellite launching through the balloon, where we need to have the booms comes away. The mechanism is fully different. It's a scissor mechanism that what we have designed, developed. And now here I would like to introduce our new product, that is Pen Drive Plus. Hope you will understand and you will like it also. See, if you design any product which is the beyond optimized level of the customer mindset, then product will have its own place into the market. So means making the application research is not a big job. We need to put an efforts on the material science of that product. See means the test of every component of our product should be very strong. So if you design any product which is 5 times higher speed, which is very user friendly, which is very easy to handle, waterproof and very durable, then product will have its own place. On the basis of that, the user interface of the product should be also of that level that it should not, means that should not make bore to the customer. So the strong user interface and functions we need to design. Our research team is also very strong in the research wise also. We are not dependent on any platform like Android, Geekbox, Fedora, OpenMuco, Qtopia, GTK plus X11. No, we are having our own assembly language based on CPP. Here we have a single IC solution with no RAM condition. Pen drive plus means what? See, if you are having your pen drive, though it may have a virus, so if you need to put the backside of our pen drive plus, you can see that I can directly take the data from your pen drive to my pen drive plus, and from my pen drive plus to your pen drive without help of PC. So PC here never required. Here there is a touch screen. So exactly whatever the data I wanted to take, exactly I can navigate and take it exactly that as per the customer need. So even we need to put this to the laptop also, that so that I can take data directly from the laptop also. So this is the pen drive plus, and even it has a Bluetooth, so that I can share this data to any Bluetooth enabled device. Suppose, see, even you can see this is the cell phone. We need to put up at this place, and we can directly share data from your mobile with the data cable. Even camera is there, so with the help of camera we need to put this cord in the backside, and you have to put up at this place. We can directly share the data, because the cameraman, they really have to need of this type of the functions. And even soon they are going to launch a new product of new camera which is having the Bluetooth also, so that I can directly share these images from this camera to directly to our pen drive plus. So pen drive plus is the real image. It is the future edition of the pen drive, so we called it as a pen drive plus. No virus affected and all these things. Even there are some printers which are Bluetooth enabled. Soon we can, if I share the file to directly printer, the printer starts working. So this is the product that what we have designed, and exactly it is a fully waterproof, and the memory capacity is 120 GB, out of which 20 GB is accessible for everyone. Anyone can see your 20 GB, but 100 GB is password protected. Even full pen drive also we can put in the password protected also. So these type of the very different type of the aspects we have handled, we have developed with our research team, and this is the product. Now the touchscreen is big. Later on the touchscreen will be very small at this shape of 20 mm by 65 mm, and then we are going to launch in within a couple of months. This product will be coming to the market, and this is the pen drive plus what we have designed, and I am here to introduce and show you the demonstration of this pen drive. See, this is the normal hardware what we have designed for our pen drive plus. This is the prototype model, that's why the touch screen of this size. This is market available touch screen we have taken. So normally after mass production it will be a very compact size, and the battery backup is here. See, we are looking that this will be the final pen drive plus size. Here there is a touchscreen area and the battery inside it. Paper touchscreen we are going to implement, which is the world best technology we are looking to implement in our pen drive plus. In this hardware, this is the mail port. We have to connect directly to the laptop and share the file. So this is the 5 times faster than the normal pen drive to share the file. Even there is a female port, we need to put up the another pen drive, cell phone, iPhone, even directly printer, so that I can directly give a print to pen drive plus to the printer directly. So even I can give this print via Bluetooth to the Bluetooth enabled printer, because in market there are printer which is already Bluetooth is there into the printer. This is the world best Bluetooth we are interfaced in our pen drive plus. So this is the Bluetooth and this is processor, this is antenna, UI memory, and this is the world best processor we have interfaced in our pen drive plus. We are looking to improve the quality of our processor in our mass production job. See, in the research wise also we are not dependent on any platform like Android, Geekbox, Utopia, OpenMoko, GTK plus X11. We have our own assembly language designed in this processor. Even this is the single IC solution and no RAM. This is the SD card which is acting as a memory. If you remove this 2 GB card and put up the 8 GB card, your pen drive will act as a 8 GB pen drive. Later on we are keeping directly a constant non-flash memory of 120 GB which is password protected. So security wise also we have taken a look. So battery management, regulator, all these functions are working very well in our pen drive plus. And we need to put another pen drive here, and we can share the file directly with a high transfer rate of 5 times faster than normal. Now I am going to show you how it works. See, this is a big touch screen. This is prototype, that's why you have used a big touch screen. Later on it will be a very compact size of 65 mm by 22 mm. User interface we are designed in this area itself. So if you go inside, you will find a menu and about me. If you go inside menu, you will find a memory, personal and friends. Inside memory you will find a memory of pen drive plus memory of connected device. You can access the connected device memory from this folder. So if you go inside the pen drive plus memory, you will find a multiple number of files. If you want to delete this file, you can delete from here. If you want to copy this file, just press a copy, exit, then open connected device. You will find the details, paste it over here, copying, the file is transferred. If you want to open this folder, you will find the subfolders. Go back. Again, suppose if you want to delete any data from this connected device, you can direct delete from over here. So I can share data from pen drive plus to connected device and from connected device to pen drive plus. Exit. I have just on the Bluetooth so that I can directly share data from any Bluetooth enabled device. If you go back, you will find the personal and friends. From personal you can share the business card in a conference. From friends you can chat with your friends via Bluetooth. Go back, you will find about me. Here you will find the details of brain chamber research team. This is the battery. See, now this is pen drive plus. Now I am connecting directly to laptop. It's connected. Even I can directly connect via Bluetooth also to laptop. So you can directly scan over here. It's scanning. Normally it is acting normally as like normal pen drive. So it gives you user friendliness. If you open my computer, you can see a pen drive plus is connected over here. So if you go right click, go into the properties, you will find the memory status. If you go into the hardware, you will find the pen drive plus mass storage device by brain chamber. If you open this, you will find the multiple number of files. You can change the icons as like normal, so you can directly drag the file. You can again repaste it, again it is repasted, so it's more faster than normal pen drive. You can close it. If you go here, press double click, go to the property, you will find the brain chamber mass storage device. Close. Again with a single click, you will press. Now it's safe to remove. So it's like a normal pen drive. This is pen drive plus, this is Bluetooth enabled device. I'm going to show you how our pen drive plus gets connects through Bluetooth. I just on the Bluetooth, then go to the menu, applications, Bluetooth, then search new device. See, pen drive plus is connected. So you can pair directly with the pen drive plus and transfer the file from cell phone to pen drive plus and from pen drive plus to cell phone. So this is what the novelty in our research is.